Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipboard. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about Flipboard and we click here in this page of app info. We go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Flipboard and we click here. You will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.